Assalamu alaikum grade 3. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start my first lecture. Open your book at page number 2. Unit 1, lesson 1. The chapter name is Meet the Family. Unit 1, lesson 1. Read the story and answer the question. Read this dialogue and you have to answer the question, where are Mr. and Mrs. Burkey going next weekend? After reading this dialogue, you have to answer the question, where Mr. and Mrs. Burkey are going next weekend. It's supper time at the Burkey's house in Karachi. Students, remember, this is a dialogue. A dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. This dialogue is between a family. They are all sitting on dining table and they are planning to go somewhere. It's supper time. Supper is an evening meal at the Burkey's house in Karachi. Mr. Burkey is an engineer. Mrs. Burkey is an artist. This is their profession. Saira, are you going to take us to the seaside next weekend? Saira is asking from her father if he is going to take them to the seaside next weekend. Mr. Burkey, no, I can't. I'm going to Nepal. I'm going to build a beach in the Himalayas there. Saira, are you going alone? Mr. Burkey, no, I'm going with a colleague from work. Mrs. Burkey, the three of you are going to stay with Grandma and Grandpa for 2 nights. Imran, why? What are you going to do? As Mrs. Burkey is an artist, so she is also going somewhere. She is saying to her children that they will go to Grandma and Grandpa for 2 nights. Mrs. Burkey, I am going to paint a family picture for a friend who's got 3 children. It will take up the whole weekend. Nadia, can't you come home in the evenings? Mrs. Burkey, no, they live right on the other side of the city, so I am going to stay with them. Now listen to your teacher's sentences and correct them. Example, Mr. Burkey is going to seaside next weekend. No, he is going to Nepal. Listen and write the children's age next to their names. Grandma and Grandpa, both are the parents. Grandma and Grandpa have 2 daughters. One is Mrs. Dani and one is Mrs. Burkey. They have 2 daughters. Mrs. Dani having 2 children and Mrs. Burkey is having 3 children. Mariam is 10 years old. Fahad is 8 years old. Saira is 8. Imran is also 8 and Nadia is 6 years old. Students, now on page number 3. Say these words, circle the odd ones out. You have to circle the words that are not rhyming the same. For example, brother, mother. These 2 words are rhyming the same. Sun, honey, money, donkey, monkey. You have to circle these 4 words. Now here look at the family tree. Lesson 1, use the words in the box to complete the sentences. These are the words. You have to complete these sentences. For example, Mrs. Burkey is Mr. Mrs. Dani's sister. Mr. Burkey is Fahad's uncle. Mrs. Dani is Imran's aunt. Saira is Grandma's granddaughter. Mrs. Burkey is Grandpa's daughter. Now answer here. I am Mariam's mother's sister. My name is Mrs. Burkey. I am Imran's twin sister. My name is Saira. I am Fahad's sister's grandfather. My name is Grandpa. I am Nadia's uncle. My name is Mrs. Dani. I am Mrs. Dani's sister. My name is Imran. Students, now open your English grammar book at page number 7, Unit 1, Proper Nouns. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Special names of people, places and things are called proper nouns. Here are the exercises of this chapter. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Write the proper nouns with capital letters. A big mall called the Riverdale Mall. Riverdale is the name of a mall, so it will be proper noun. You write here R capital and D capital. Has opened in the small town of Bedford. Bedford is the name of the town, so you write Bed B capital and Ford F capital. There are 3 other important buildings in this township: the Glendale's Hospital, the Intercity Metro Station and the Greenwood School. Look here, I have changed the first words. There is a small bookshop called Reader's Den. Reader's Den is the name of the shop, so we write R capital and D capital. It belongs to Peter. Peter is a proper noun here as he is the owner of this shop, so we write here P capital. He believes that books are our best friends. Now in exercise 3, in the list given below are mixed words. Identify the proper nouns, places, write them in your notebook. Hill is not a place. Country is a common noun. Alaska is the name of a country. We write here A capital. Hospital. Europe is a continent name. We will write here E capital. Asia A capital. Scotland S capital. New York N capital. Students, now on page number 8. This is ants family. The name of people have been left out. Complete the sentences with any names of your choice. This is me. My name is Anne. The girl playing with me is Tina. She is my good friend. We play together every evening. The man working on the laptop is my father. His name is Imran. The lady putting food on the table is my mother. Her name is Saira. Write the proper nouns the following in your notebook. Names of the highest mountain is Mount Everest. Name of any river is Ravi. Name of the road on which your house is located is GT Road. Your favorite cartoon character is, you can write any of them. For example, Motu Patlu. A storybook that you like reading the most, Black Beauty. You can also write any other name. Now on page number 9, here is exercise, the month of your birth. Students, you have to fill it by yourself. The day of your birth, the favorite festival, a pet's name, and the name of the country in which you live is Pakistan. Now here are the complete the crossword using the hints given below. Name of the country, also called the land of rising sun, it's Japan. Famous mountain in Europe. First day of the week. Name of a continent, name of a month, and capital of England.